Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Some time ago, I helped facilitate a Liberating Structures Immersion Workshop, and one of the takeaways for me, not being related to liberating structures, was this tip that Barry Overeem shared, and he also shared in a post afterwards. When I facilitate exercises or things, I always say, so what I want you to do is, and then the assignment, so what I want you to do is take a piece of paper and a pen. In reality, that often leads to a lot of confusion and people starting before I have actually given all the instructions and said what I wanted to say. And Barry had this very little tweak to what I want you to do is, and it's super simple, and yeah. So let me just move this, and it just makes a ton of difference, to be honest. So what I want you to do is, after I've done explaining, is take a piece of paper, take a pen, do this, do that. So please do that now. And just by including this once I'm done explaining, that changes the dynamic quite a lot, because people will then listen to the full instruction and then go do, and not go do before you actually finished. It doesn't take more than that, and I'm quite baffled of the difference it can make. So just to reiterate, what I want you to do once I'm done explaining is, instead of just what I want you to do is, it changes a lot of things from chaos to actually some kind of order. That's it. I'm hoping that some of you will share these small tweaks you also have learned as well in other settings, and please write them in a comment or share them in another means. That would be super awesome. And that's it. As always, comments, questions, ideas and feedback is more than welcome. Have a super awesome day.